In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Shippo with Squarespace. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly integrate Shippo with your Squarespace website or store. In order to do this, I recommend going over to the Squarespace dashboard, clicking on the settings, and in here, use the third-party tools option at the left. Now you will see connected accounts and extensions. Go over to the second option, extensions, and as the name suggests, in here you can connect various different third-party tools and extensions, including of course Shippo. So if you look for Shippo with this search function here, you will be able to integrate it into your store. Key features: instantly get discounted rates with USPS, UPS, FedEx, and DHL, compare rates up to 30 carriers, import and sync Squarespace orders effortlessly, and then use automations and batch level printing to speed up the process. So all that you have to do here is choose the option to connect at the left. Now this might redirect you to this page where you have to give it permission. If you are okay with all of this information being shared, click allow, and usually this will get the process done. Now you will have to register to actually use Shippo. If you already have an account, then of course you should be signed in, or you can click existing user login. Now that you are done signing in, you will see the Shippo dashboard. So you will have your orders, your shipments, and you will be able to manage everything here. Keep in mind that for this video, I'm not going to go super in depth about what you can do with Shippo and how to best utilize the tools. I simply wanted to demonstrate how to integrate Squarespace with Shippo, but you will now be able to access all of the needed tools to create labels, synchronize your orders. You can even upload pre-existing data by using a CSV file, and everything will work in conjunction. You can manage the extension at any time, and if for whatever reason you would like to disconnect it, the option will become available. So you just go over to the extensions page and it is going to be available for you to disconnect it from there. So make sure that you do this using the Squarespace dashboard, which redirects you into Shippo. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Shippo with Squarespace. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.